I am former employee at a radio station in Arabic. I'm by profession in Hebrew, although Hebrew is my tongue, a native tongue. Also, as Middle Eastern, I have a PhD from Princeton University, and since 2000, I've been working on the attitude to the other and peace of the Middle East. I've done reports in school books, Iranian, Tunisian, Syrian, and also some work in school books. The root of the problem is that full nations vary from each other, living on land with that very land, and they think strongly that they both belong to that land. Their identity, the Jews, and the Palestinian Arabs, of course. So they fight about who is going to be, who is going to be, and in my opinion, both should divide the land between them. Some of them will live here, and the other nation will have sovereignty over the other part of the land, and both sovereign states will have minorities of other nations. I feel Israel is one solution to the conflict, namely peace, and they are ready to some of the rights of the other, namely the Palestinians. With have no place to stay, no to stay in the country. They even don't have any hope in the country. Again, history is all evidence we have. Don't count the 6 million Jews in Israel as inhabit the country. Problem. It's mainly politics, but religion is mobilized to strengthen the position of to mostly the politics. As I say, it's a whole land, and we do not allow people to live here. Holy places are only ours, and we are not allowed or ready to share with the other nation or other religion. While in this country, in fact, history dictates that most of the holy places are shared by all religions, both Muslim and Jewish. Humanity, they share the same holy places. To tell the truth, I quoted the Quran, the specific verses speak about, and the Muslims were hearing them, listening, but after seconds, they just forgot about them. They didn't listen anymore. It ended from here and out of here. But the verses exist, and they don't teach it at all. Not I found in an Egyptian textbook some verse which is mentioned in the school book. Yes.
Hatred will be true. People of is mentioned in the Quran, Jews, Christians. Muslims as well are as well. So we are no different from one another. And we have no right, no option, but to according to the word. The Palestinian society have any uniform behave accordingly or not?
I'm afraid they don't listen to such attitudes because they are so very heavily taught about other sides of Islam, but also and activities, jihad, and other values that contradict, or they are made to look the actual situation on the ground, and for the time they are listening. But I believe strongly believe that if nations would to their own culture, their own religious ideals, their peace is easy, in my opinion.